Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 800 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual sunroof, premium wheels, running boards, anti-lock braking system, door edge guards, fog lights, power brakes, driver's side remote mirror, power sunroof, rear window wiper. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.